Montalvo Real Estate Team welcomes you to enjoy our tours. You can always find additional information online at Love Living in Lowey or call us at 517-403-6939. Welcome to 7942 E Monroe, Tecumseh. A wonderful ranch plus home featuring 6 bedrooms and 4 full baths. Enjoy the spacious open floor plan featuring open kitchen with porcelain counters, formal dining, and family room/office/den with gorgeous Brazilian cherry floors. Split floor plan offers huge master suite with jetted tub, separate shower, and large walk-in closet. Split floor plan plus finished bedroom on upper level basement is professionally finished with large reg/family areas plus 2 bedrooms with a Jack and Jill bathroom. Country setting with 2.23 acres, fenced